Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, we have opened OTC pairs. Okay, if you check overall trend is an uptrend, I have opened 3 pairs. I have already analyzed, so I will try to take each and every pair the trades. Okay, if you check next candle, we will start our session here. I will go with buyers for the next candle. Why? Because if you notice from the previous downside, what you have observed. First of all, at the support area, if you notice, we have a W pattern, which means an uptrend indication. So easily you could go with buyers here. Okay. In this pair, I have followed the momentum. Here, I am going with buyers. Why? Because this is an buyers area. Particularly if you observe this pair, previous there are 3 red candles, okay, which is continuously weakness. So at the end we have a support area where every time we got rejections and it's a reversal sign. What you can expect, at least one buyer's candle you can expect. So easily you can win this trade. So I will explain the previous chart also. Here overall trend is a downtrend, so I have followed the momentum. Here I have said you before only, here the down we have a W pattern, which is a continuation sign of uptrend. Here I will again go with buyers. After momentum, again the buyers are getting stronger, means still the market wants to continue. Here again I will go with sellers. Left side there is a level which is a strong level, 50-50, but with margin of safety in these kind of areas we can win easily. I will take one more trade, margin of safety. Why? Because in the OTC market, sometimes these kind of areas retracements matter. So that's why only we need margin of safeties. Rest all will easily we can win. Here the sellers will continue easily maximum. So I have taken only 2 trades. Previous 3 are win. Okay. In the end, I will show you my history too. Okay, if you observe, every time the market is making retracements and again it is continuing. See, here also we are following the only momentum. Why? Because in the OTC market, maximum try to follow the momentum because you may get more winning trades. See, again continuation sign, I can again go with buyers here. Left side I don't have any kind of levels, so you should observe these all points. So easily you can go with buyers again. So whenever you are trading, if you have a momentum, don't miss these kind of opportunities. Here if you notice, I will go with sellers. Why? Because if you notice, from the top we have only selling candles. In between only you have 1 or 2 retracements only, except that all sellers are continuing. If you check also from the top, you will understand. So if you have these kind of multiple confirmations, you may trade with confidence and you won't lose any trades. So that's why only I have said you trade at the levels only, trade at the valid points. See, continuously we are getting wins here. Okay, in the end I will show you my history. Here if you notice, the buyers are finally get strong, so finally again we got win. Again I will follow the momentum. Up to loss, try to follow only momentum. Here I have doubt, so I won't take trade. Here we can go with buyers, but late entry. Okay, let's see, because the market has more rejections, so we can't go at this trade. Okay, my next reversal will be here. Okay, let me plot a trend line because the candle is getting stronger over, right? So I will plot a trend line. If you check this trend line, here the next reversal point we can expect. So I will trade for the next candle in this pair. Okay, here you can check my resistance, which is a horizontal one. Okay, if you have multiple confirmations, you can go with sellers here. See, here the buyers are getting, here we can again go with sellers here confidently. Okay, let's wait. Okay, here I will go with sellers. Why? Because 2 breakouts, one is resistance also breakout and trendline is also breakout. So multiple confirmations I have to go with sellers. Here what do you notice? Here let me draw a trend line, whether I have any level or not. Yeah, here I have a level, so I will go with buyers. But one more doubt. Yeah, welcome to OTC. So I have taken one more confirmation. Why I have gone with buyers means, after momentum you can expect 1 or 2 retracement. Maybe second one will be definitely a retracement only. That's why only I have taken I got a entry point from the down, so that's the reason only I have taken with buyers. Why? Because retracement means which is a weak candle, not a strong candle. So why I am confident means it's a uptrend, so you can't expect a seller strong. Okay, here the sellers area, so that's the reason easily you can go with sellers. So you should understand these points, why, where, when, so easily you can win the trade. See, at last it came in a spinning top, so now officially you can go with buyers now. Why? Because momentum, market is in a momentum. Yes, you can go with buyers here. 1 second. Okay, let me place a trade. Sometimes you may get one or two, that's it. See, you can check my history also. Okay, we will take one more trade. In the OTC market, if you have clarity, you can go with, even if it's some late also it will continue. Why? Because in the OTC market the volume will be good, really nice, so that's why we can easily win the trades. So if you have entry point, it's okay. If you doesn't have, just take the entry point maximum if possible. Okay, here the buyers want to continue again. Okay, I will take one more trade and I will close the session. I think approximately I have done 10 trades, I think so. So it's enough as of now. So here finally I got a win. Okay, we will take one more. Okay. See, if you follow momentum continuously, you can win. Here again, same issue. I will continue with the sellers only. Why? Because from the top, if you notice what you are going, only selling candles. So even if you notice the previous sellers candle, it is getting stronger. So easily you can win. Here there is a doji, we don't have any kind of opportunities. So we will stick in this chart only, and this is my last trade. Okay. So if you trade with multi confirmations, you can get nice winning ratios. See, finally the sellers are getting stronger. In the favor of downtrend, if you go with sellers only, it is good because the selling candle is more stronger in the downtrend. So this is my history. I think finally we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you.